How to add a clock widget to your Android home screen. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen and find an empty area. Now, press and hold on an empty space until the home screen options appear. From here, tap Widgets. You'll now see a list of available widgets. Scroll through the list or use the search option to find Clock. Tap Clock to view the available clock widget styles. Depending on your phone and installed apps, you may see different clock designs and sizes. Choose the clock widget you want, then press and hold it and drag it onto your home screen. Once it's added, you can press and hold the widget to move it to your preferred location. You can also resize it if the widget supports resizing. And that's it! You've successfully added a clock widget to your Android home screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.